Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana and today I'd like to present you my project with natural language processing. My project is a maze game which uses text recognition functions. In our game we will help a little beetle to find exit from the maze. And now I'll tell you about my program. At the beginning of the program, I create a sprite and import a time package because I want to use sleep function. After that, I create object TR of text recognition type. After that, I turn video on flipped mode and set the transparency to 100. I don't want to see the video from my camera on the screen, so the transparency will be 100. After that, I init the state of my sprite. I switches the backdrop to maze picture, and after that, sprite say us hello, help me find exit from maze. Also, I create two variables for previous position of the sprite on the stage. I need it because I want to control if my sprite touches the wall. And if it happens, the sprite will replace to the previous position. The gaming process is described in the forever loop while, and at the beginning of the loop, sprite says us what I need to do. After that, I make 2 seconds sleep because when sprite asks us about the next step, next action, sometimes it's hard to show the card with handwritten text immediate in the right position on the screen. So I wrote the line time sleep 2 seconds after the sprite question. Then I analyze the handwritten text from camera. I have 4 cards with text, and if my sprite recognize instructions, it will walk on some kind. After that, sprite say, I read you want me, and there I show the result of the recognition of the handwritten text. Then I analyze reading text, and if handwritten text was go forward, sprite says, okay, I'm going forward, and sprite moves. Also, if handwritten text was turn left, the sprite says, okay, I'm turning to the left. After that, I set the correct sprite direction. I get the current direction of the sprite and subtract 90 from it. the instructions for a right turn and turn around are very similar to instruction about turning to the left. So I copy these 3 lines and correct the text of the condition. Correct the text in phrase and correct the calculation of the direction. If our sprite reads something else, not our comments, the sprite says us, "I can't understand you, try again." After that, I analyze if my sprite touching the black color, touching the wall. If it happens, I set sprite to the previous position. After that, I set new data to X and Y variables. And at the end of my loop, I describing the winning of the game. If my sprite touching red color, the backdrop switches to the forest picture. Sprite goes to the 0, point, and sprite direction is also 0. And sprite says us, "I'm free, thank you very much." After that, the loop is breaking and the game is over. And now I'll ready to demonstrate to you how my program works. My maze is rather large, so I will show you how it works on some small way. But it will be enough for demonstrate you how my beetle make all the actions. So let's start. I show in the picture with text turn around, but something go wrong. Try again. Oh, it's read okay. Now the next. Okay, go forward. Let's try again, go forward. And now I'll show you how my beetle will touch the wall. So we turn to the right and now we try to go forward. Oh, you can see how it replaces to the previous position. So let's help our beetle to find the exit. Let's turn to the left and then go forward. Again forward. And once again. Okay. Down. Now let's turn left. And now go forward. Again. And again. 2 times. Again. And the last step. Yes, we made this. Stop. The program stops by itself. We see it. So that's all I wanted to tell you about my project. I hope it was interesting and useful for all. Bye bye.